Mastering the art of apostrophes. Practice makes perfect. Hello learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of punctuation, focusing particularly on a small but mighty symbol, the apostrophe. By the end of this video, you'll be more confident in using apostrophes correctly, even in tricky situations. Let's get started. Apostrophes may be small, but they play a critical role in English grammar. They're used in two main ways. 1. To show possession. For instance, in the sentence, "This is John's book," the apostrophe is used to show that the book belongs to John. 2. To indicate omitted letters and contractions. For example, in the contraction, "don't," for "do not," the apostrophe replaces the omitted O. Understanding these two fundamental rules is key to mastering apostrophe usage. Now that we know the basics, let's dive into some examples. For possession. Correct. The cat's toy is missing. The toy belongs to the cat. Incorrect. It's raining outside. Should be, it's raining outside. This is a contraction, not possession. For contractions. Correct. We're excited for the game. Where equals we are. Incorrect. You're beautiful. Should be, you're beautiful, contraction for you are. Remember, an apostrophe signals that something belongs to someone or something, possession, or that letters have been omitted, contractions. Let's practice. Identify whether the following sentences are correct. If they're not, try to fix them. 1. It's a beautiful day outside. 2. The dog's tail is wagging. 3. I can't believe you're going to the concert without me. 4. Whose jacket is this? 5. The children's playground was busy. Don't worry if you're not sure. We'll review the answers shortly. Alright, let's see how you did. 1. Incorrect. The correct sentence is, "It's a beautiful day outside." Contraction of, "it is." 2. Incorrect. The correct sentence is, "The dog's tail is wagging." The tail belongs to the dog. 3. Incorrect. The correct sentence is, "I can't believe you're going to the concert without me." Can't is a contraction of, cannot. 4. Correct. Whose jacket is this? Whose is a contraction of, whose. 5. Incorrect. The correct sentence is, "The children's playground was busy." The playground belongs to the children. Well done, everyone. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep revisiting these rules and practicing these examples, and before long, you'll be an apostrophe pro. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe. We're excited to continue our grammar journey with you. Until next time, happy learning!